La 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 la.
राहुल राहुल
तन के साथ मन को जगाओ वी गार्ड वाटर हीटर्स के संग वी गार्ड।
मेघालय के मुख्यमंत्री कॉनराड के संगमा, जो खुद एक बड़े संगीत प्रेमी और एक बेहद कुशल गिटार वादक हैं, ने मंगलवार को दृष्टिबाधित संगीतकारों के एक प्रतिभाशाली समूह ईस्टर्न ब्रुक बैंड की इच्छा पूरी करते हुए उन्हें संगीत वाद्ययंत्र प्रदान किए। यह पहल मेघालय ग्रासरूट म्यूजिक प्रोग्राम का हिस्सा है, जो मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय की एक प्रमुख पहल है जिसका उद्देश्य राज्य में स्थानीय प्रतिभाओं को बढ़ावा देना और उनका समर्थन करना है।
Tell us your names, all of you, and what instrument you play.
I'm the lead guitarist of Eastern Brook, so my name is Nankyo Arkatrina.
And then next.
I am one of I am the lead vocalist of the band.
Great.
And I am Waiki Smaitang, and I am the drummer of this band.
Great. So I think all of us really would like to know what is it that brought you all together and how your band, came together. And when did this happen?
It all started in 2022, like when we first came to notice, like because we started, we wanted to form a band since 2019 and all while we were in school, but we have some hard time and there are some tough challenges going on the way. And then after that, in 2022, when this MGMP started to
The Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program.
when MGMP started to form, and then we saw the door was opening for us also to make a name for ourselves, and then there we kick off with our band. And then at first it was a tough challenge for us with the equipment and the instruments, but then we have few of our friends who said, oh, we will help you with that. And then we started, and then we said, okay, let's just then form a band, because that is our passion since we were in school. So we kick off with that, and then we make a name for ourselves, and then we got to break the barrier.
Absolutely. And then
It is an honor to be with you in front. Like I feel so, like I'm so proud of myself. Like I'm also a huge fan of you. I saw the way you play guitar and all. So I really look up to you also. Like
we look up to you, in fact. It's amazing that in spite of so many challenges that you have, that you still manage to follow your dreams and your passion, I should say. And whatever we're doing today is just a small way to show our support for the passion that you have. In fact, I want to just also tell all of you that you will be, and you are already in fact, a great source of inspiration for many of the youngsters of our state, that, and in fact the country, that when you believe in something and when you're passionate about something, no matter what challenges there are, if you keep working at it, you will achieve. And you will definitely achieve the goals that you have. So you're a great inspiration, and I really want to congratulate you for what you have done. And what are your future plans? Are you planning to come out with some kind of an album or something?
Yes, actually we are planning the things that we are facing difficult, like regarding financial, So that's the reason, like
you may be in the right place.
Studio is very hard for us. Like it costs around 20,000 per song.
Right.
So it's difficult for us.
So you'll have to convince me that the song is good for recording, and then we'll work with you for the
So
recording.
for now, like, try to compose the song, try to practice properly.
You do that.
After
you do
that, like, let's see.
Yeah,
how to
we'll-
manage regarding
Because first
financial.
you have to, the music should be also with the,
Yeah.
should be it will be nice for others also to listen. So we have to plan nicely. So we have to be creative also the music. So.
And also, it's a great opportunity that you give us, like this equipment and all, so that we'll be practicing and then, we'll move ahead.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Move forward ahead.
I'm sure that your music and the songs that you come out with will be really, really amazing. And we wish you the very best for it. And I want to assure you that we will keep supporting you As you know, that the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program was, was meant to do exactly what it is doing now, to bring out the talent that our youth have and showcase it and allow them to be able to perform at different stages. So the fact that MGMP has found the talent in you and brought you out is